gotta tell you, we got the coolest job in the whole world. We get to fly for a living, and we get to take beautiful pictures for our clients. There's 4 of us. I'm a pilot, my husband is a pilot, our daughter is a pilot, our employee is a pilot. The reason I think people choose the 111th is because they can depend on us. We have based our reputation on quick turnaround, excellent service, and fantastic photography. And when you hear a client's reaction to their own photos, it gives us so much satisfaction. In our business, a printer has to be great because a client needs to know that the colors are going to be accurate, it's going to be a nice sharp image, and it's going to be able to deliver it on schedule. When I had heard about HP's printer and I had seen it work, I was going to give it a try. The HP Z6 accurately reproduces colors. I don't have to keep tweaking it, waiting for the perfect image. The Z6 gets it right the first time, every time. All HP printers work with this one-click system. You slide the picture in onto your desktop, and depending on the size, it will even do the layout for you so you don't waste any paper.
Taylor, how's that new stadium looking?
It's looking great. I'm gonna go ahead and crop it, and I think this is ready to print.
The Z6 doesn't just sit there. It works for a living, and it keeps us going and makes me look so good to my clients. Reliability, whether you're flying an airplane or whether there's a client standing there waiting for their photo, it has to be first rate. Having the HP DesignJet Z6 PostScript printer sitting in my office, I know that if a client calls me on Friday evening and says, if I come by your office tonight, can I get that picture? I'll tell him, you bet.